How to buy Uniswap with Metamask. Here on the app itself, we are going to click this one here where it says buy ETH. Go ahead and click that one. Now, instead of the Ethereum, we are going to go ahead and click it, and we're going to go ahead and change it with our desired Uniswap, which is this one right here. I can go ahead and click that one, and as you can see now, it has changed to Uniswap. Now, you can go ahead and enter the amount here. Say, for example, if we are going to set this to US dollar, like so, I can go ahead and enter, say, about $100 worth. Now take note that there is actually a minimum deposit needed here, which is $60. So we're going to set this to $100. After doing so, I can go ahead and click get quotes down here. And here is the amount that I am going to receive. Now, if you are interested, you can go ahead and continue by clicking this button right here. And then you are going to have to verify your identity in order for you to proceed with the payment. And that is how to buy Uniswap with Metamask.